a commercial meat grinder. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 23.5 inches, a depth of 40.5 inches, and a height standing at 24.5 inches tall. Top tray dimensions, we have 17.75 inches in length, a depth of 34.5 inches, and a height of 4.25 inches tall. Right beneath the tray, on the right and left side, are clips that can be released and tightened. Also included will be an additional blade for the front spout, along with a push tool to compress your meats. Top of the tray, front and center, will be an area and slot to insert your meats. Coming to the front of the spout, the area where the meat will be dispensed, we have 3.5 inches in radius. And coming to the lower column will be the power on and off switch. Coming to the back of the meat grinder will be the ETL NSF certification, and this unit will use a 220 voltage connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.